In this video, I'm sharing 10 stunning doorscaping ideas that will make your home the most festive on the block. From an enchanting winter wonderland portal to a whimsical gingerbread house entry, these DIY concepts work for any budget and style. Get ready for detailed tutorials, pro tips, and creative inspiration that'll help you create Instagram-worthy holiday entrances. Whether you love classic, modern, or playful designs, there's something here for everyone. Hit subscribe and let's make your doorway the star of the neighborhood this Christmas. First up, we have our winter wonderland portal. Imagine stepping through a doorway that feels like entering Narnia itself. Picture this, a lush, flocked garland framing your entire doorway, with delicate white twinkle lights creating a magical glow. Hanging crystal-like snowflakes catch the light, while sophisticated white and silver ornaments add depth and sparkle. The finishing touch? A pair of frosted lanterns at the base, creating the perfect warm welcome. Next, let's explore our classic Christmas post office design. This nostalgic concept turns your front door into a slice of holiday magic. Start with a bold red door as your canvas, then add a vintage-style mailbox overflowing with letters to Santa. Frame it all with rich pine garland tied with red ribbon, and don't forget the charming North Pole mail sign. Small wrapped packages scattered at the base make it look like Santa's helpers have just made a delivery. Our third design, the cozy cabin entrance, brings all the warmth of a mountain retreat right to your doorstep. This rustic chic look combines plaid ribbon-wrapped garland with authentic touches like a vintage wooden sled propped casually against the wall. Natural pine cones, buffalo check bows, and hanging ice skates create that perfect winter cabin vibe, while battery-operated lanterns cast a warm glow on faux fur accents. Get ready for something sweet with our fourth concept, Candy Cane Lane. This playful design turns your doorway into a life-size treat. Wrap the door frame in red and white striped ribbon, position oversized candy canes on each side, and hang a peppermint-themed wreath. Add cascading red and white ornaments and twinkling white lights for that extra touch of whimsy. The natural Nordic theme, our fifth idea, embraces Scandinavian simplicity with stunning results. White birch branches create a striking contrast against natural pine garland, while wooden snowflakes and white felt ball garlands add texture. Simple white lights and a statement wooden star topper complete this minimalist yet impactful look. Moving to number 6, Santa's Workshop brings the magic of the North Pole right to your front door. Hang tiny elf boots and stockings, incorporate vintage workshop tools as decorative elements, and don't forget the Santa's Workshop sign. Stack wrapped presents at the sides, and add toy-themed ornaments for that perfect workshop feel. Our seventh concept, the gingerbread house entry, is absolutely delicious looking. Transform your doorway into a life-sized gingerbread house using brown paper as your base, with white rope lights creating that perfect frosting effect. Add colorful candy decorations, and don't forget those classic peppermint swirls and gingerbread men cutouts. For music lovers, our eighth design, the Christmas music theme, hits all the right notes. Create a symphony of style with metallic musical notes, sheet music garland, and small instrument ornaments. Cluster bells together for both visual and auditory appeal, and crown it all with a beautiful joy to the world sign. The Winter Forest, our ninth concept, brings the enchanted forest to your front door. Layer multiple sizes of wreaths with birch logs at the base, add charming woodland creatures, and create depth with pine branches. Fairy lights and frosted pine cones complete the magical forest feel, while snow-dusted elements add that perfect winter touch. Finally, our grand finale, the Nutcracker Palace Doorscape. This regal design features life-sized nutcracker statues standing guard beside your door, complemented by luxurious gold and red ribbon garland. A crown topper adds majestic height, while ornate Baroque-style decorations and delicate ballet shoe ornaments pay homage to the classic Christmas ballet. Finish with draped pearl strands for ultimate elegance. There you have it, friends, 10 spectacular doorscaping ideas to make your home the most festive on the block. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more holiday decorating inspiration, and drop a comment below to let me know which design is your favorite. Until next time, keep creating magic.